Most of a eukaryotic cell's ATP synthesis occurs in mitochondria. A mitochondrion is a sac within a sac. The inner sac is folded, increasing surface area for ATP synthesis. Between the inner and outer membranes is the intermembrane space, a reservoir for hydrogen ions used for synthesizing ATP from ADP. The inner chamber, known as the matrix, is a soup of enzymes that dismantle fuel molecules in the Krebs cycle. The knobs are where ATP is synthesized. Simply put, a mitochondrion is an energy transformer, where energy in fuel molecules such as pyruvic acid is transferred to ATP. Carbon dioxide, the carbon end product of cellular respiration, diffuses out, leaving the cell through the plasma membrane.